Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You've already got your media and captions. Now move quickly. Import the SRT or generate captions with speech to text, then switch to the captions or text workspace so tools are visible. Once done, set your sequence frame rate to match the caption file and create a dedicated captions track so you don't edit video accidentally. Make sure snapping is enabled and the timecode ruler is visible. This saves micro adjustments later and keeps your first edits precise and consistent. Now focus on the hard middle steps. Group and multi-select captions to move timing in batches, which is faster than fixing lines one by one. Once you've selected, drag edges to extend or shorten durations, hold Shift for finer snapping control, and use keyboard nudges for millisecond corrections. Apply a global style in the captions or essential graphics panel so typography is consistent, and use copy-paste to duplicate corrected blocks. These methods reduce repetitive work and keep everything aligned. Wrap up by deciding export format. Sidecar. SRT for editable subtitles or burned-in captions when delivery demands it. Once exported, perform a quick playback check against audio for 1/4 of the file at random spots to confirm sync and line breaks. Make sure to save a working copy before finalizing. If you find captions drifting, the key troubleshooting tip is to check that the source file and sequence share the same frame rate and time base. Mismatches cause timing shifts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.